Okay, so recording has been started. So hi team. In last session, what we have seen is how to create the node server file in Express.js, and in this session, what we see is how to create API in Express.js. Right. So let's quickly start it. Okay. Since we don't have the database, right? We don't have the DB part. We have not started the DB part. So we'll be playing with arrays. Do you agree? Yes or no? We will be
Yes,
playing
sir.
with arrays because we don't have the DB. So I don't want to make this example complex and add more complexity. So I'm just keeping it very simple. I'm having one array, and that on that array only I will be performing all the operations of my API. Okay, so let's start making APIs. Okay, so now the next thing that I want is I wanted to make API basically. So what I need is I need routes or router functionality, right? So now I will be, should I say step 5? No, step 4 was this, step 5. So I am adding here, say step 5, although this should be done in separate file, but okay, let it be in this and then later we can, put it in a separate file. So I'm saying const, again const equals to const router, or say where router, no, const is fine. router, router is just a variable, right? That's just a const, sorry. And it says express also has, because we are making APIs, so we have the router function in express, or router function in express, through which we create APIs basically, right? Through which we create API routes. So router function is used to create API routes in Express.js. Simple. Step 5 done. I have imported, I have not imported, sorry, I have used router function so that I can create routes, API routes, or in short, I can create APIs. So let's create our first API, correct? So let's see our first API. So to create our first API, what I'll do is I'll create one array, as I said, right? So step 6, 6, create array. So what I will do is I'll say where products. Okay, where products. I'm making a list of products. Say product ID or simple ID. Say ID is 001. Then next thing is P name, product name, and I'm saying what? Say laptop. Okay. Then I would say cost. Cost. So for cost, I'm saying let's say 200. What happened? Why it is giving me an error? Okay, type in can only be type. Well, okay. Annotation can only be used in types of files. Okay, okay. So, my mistake. Okay, so products equals to my first product like this. I will be adding right? So product ID is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 300, 400, 500, 600. Say mobile, uh, desktop, tablet, iPhone, right? I have product basically. So now what I do is I'll create my first API list of product. So step 7, my first API. So I'm saying router because I'm creating API now. So I'm saying router. Router function is to create routes basically, API routes, correct? In Express.js, I say router dot route, correct? So if this name is getting confusing, so you can change the name from router to something else. Okay, getting a point. So you can even make this name as API or API routes. This is good. API routes, API router. So API router means which is going to create a API route for you. API router dot route. What route? Which route? Slash products. Did you get this? Did you get my point? Slash products. So when someone says my base URL slash products, that user will get the list of products. How? Again, as I said, I will be having inline function, correct? Function has request and response. So I am sending a response basically, say res response dot json in JSON format. In JSON, I guess I don't need to use the package for JSON. Let's see will this work or not. And I am sending the list of, I'm saying products, right? I am sending products. Or wait a minute. I am saying dot JSON, say data, and I'm saying products, correct? I'm creating my own object. I'm creating a simple object, correct? I'm creating a simple object, and that object has a property called data, and I'm returning my products. Consider this is coming from DB. Consider I'm just putting over here. Say you have a DB. You are hitting. You are hitting product table, getting all products, and returning the data in JSON format. Is it clear to all of you? Is this clear to all of you? Yes or no? Team? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So how about you, Harshit, Nishu, Riva, Shivam, Shubham,
Yes, sir.
Tarnima?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So now my API is ready. My API route is ready, correct? This API route is ready.
सर एक
Uh,
बार स्टेप 7 बताना सर प्लीज.
it is creating, it is creating route called products, route called products, right? Which will return list of products. So now my route is ready. My route is ready. Now I need to hook this route with my app. Okay, I need to hook this route with my app. So how are we going to do that? Let's see. So here, step 8, hook routes to app, so that your routes will be active, will be activated, right? So I say app dot use. There I'm saying, do you want to add any prefix to your APIs? Do you want to add any prefix to your APIs? Do you want to add name like slash, sorry, API? Okay, I'll show you what it does. Okay, let me just show it to you first. Slash, what is my, who contains my routes? API router. So API router is the one which has, as of now, only one route. In future, in next 2 minutes, it will be having more routes. So I have passed my API router to my app. So I have basically hooked my routes to app. Guys, is this clear or not? Is it clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you? Did you understand step 8? I have hooked my API router, which will be having one or more than one API routes. Correct? I have hooked it with the application.
Sir,
Yeah.
so what's the importance of having these prefixes?
No importance. You can put any name. I can put my name, Ajay.
सर एक बार सर स्टेप 8 और 7 प्लीज बताइए.
What? Okay. At step 7, what we are doing is we are creating an API route. It is creating API route.
It will call the list, है ना?
No, I'm creating API route. First of all, understand what we're doing here. So we are creating API route, or in short, we are creating API. Just like in payment gateway, do you have only one API? No, right? You will
No,
be
no.
different API routes. One will fetch your, one will verify your mobile number. One will verify, no, one will fetch your information. One
Yes,
will do the payment for you. Correct?
yes.
One will accept the payment for you. One will give you, one API route will give you the acknowledgement
OTP.
message,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So when you say API has lot of endpoints. Endpoint means routes.
Okay,
I would say
routes having the routes, another
it is
routes, like
creating, no, route, not having another route. Here we are creating, it is creating, this API router is creating API route, or I should say endpoint. Endpoint.
endpoints. Okay,
Okay, as of now we have only one endpoint.
okay, okay.
I'm going to create few more endpoints today. So now you have now in step 8 I have hooked my API router, because this will have all the endpoints, all the routes. Correct? So I'm hooking it with my application, with my server file, so that it will get activated. So I'm just putting a prefix here instead of Ajay. Again, I go back to, let's say, API word, save. Already application. Okay, I killed the server and started again. Node server, and now we see this one again. Here at 3000, nothing is going to show up. I mean, it is going to show the normal message, the default message, because it's the default route. When I say slash API slash products, right? So it says error. Beautiful. Products is my
Like API routes.
spelling is correct. Spelling is correct. Then what is an issue? Hmm. Acha, send. I didn't put send basically. No, I put send also. No, I didn't put send. I should say send. I am not sending anything. Send. Node server. But it should work without send also, if I'm not wrong. Let's see. So we are having error. So if we are having error, why here we are not getting that error? What is the error first of all? Okay, what I do is, let me just again.
सर क्रोम के एड्रेस बार में प्रीफिक्स एपीआई लगा हुआ है.
So I also have API, na?
ओके सर.
So it should work basically. Wait, let me just see the simple one first. CLS. Again, I start my server. Let me just check. Did I miss anything? So use API router. ठीक है. I don't see any issue here. Whew. Products. What am I missing? Is my placement wrong? No. Is route slash products strange, very strange. Let's see. Hey, hold on. Where I declare this one? Here. This is my router. Uh, uh, uh. Okay. Let's do one thing. I take this route as it is and use it in my application. Let's comment it because this I have checked it was working fine. Let's see where we have where's the issue. Okay. API router. Ah, see the basic mistake, what I've done. I have written, which is the mistake I have done. So I have written route. API router dot get is the one which I should put, right? It's my mistake. So what we are making is we are making a get type of method. Okay, this is also one of the things that I wanted to tell you. So we have different type of HTTP method, type of method. Okay, so one is, this is HTTP get. Get means it is my method is exposed. My method is using the HTTP get protocol. My method is using or is exposed at HTTP get. Get means you are getting data, you're getting things from server. Okay, like this. We have HTTP post where we are posting the data, posting the body, posting the object back to server. Okay, so then third we have is put, right, where again we use it for updating the data. Patch, patch is only to update a single, few properties basically. So we have get, put, post, delete. So delete is to delete the data in the DB. Get is to get the data from the DB. Post is to save the data in the DB. Put is to update the data in the DB. And patch is to update few properties in the DB. Is that clear to all of you? Yes or no, team?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let's start it again and see will it give me the products or not. It should give me this time. No. So dot get. अब क्या हुआ? अब तो मिलना चाहिए. I should get this now. API router dot get products. Okay. Again I go back to, one second. I'll use this sample one, commented, and use it. Get was certainly an issue, I understand. So we put it. Now this should work. Now again my one more endpoint is users. It should now return me the users. So let's see. Let's see. I guess my place is also wrong. It should be somewhere here. Now we'll see. Kill the server. Start it again. So it is not able to hit products. Let's use users. So users it is able to. See the data is coming for users. Did you see that, team? Hello? So you see, if with users I'm getting the data, which means I'm having issue in my route. So you see the same thing. I mean, users I'm able to fetch and show, but when I'm doing it with products, it's not working. So there must be a strong reason why it is not happening. Let's map what is the mistake we are doing here. So I have products slash my method. Okay, that's fine. Then I have response dot send. That is also correct. I'm sending I'm sending it. So I am not able to find out what is the problem here. So request send. It's completely same, isn't it? Right, team? Our user route is working fine, but our products route is not working fine.
सर ब्रैकेट्स एक बार चेक कर लीजिए.
वही देख रहा हूँ मैं भी. So square bracket, curly braces, curly braces, curly braces. Then you have square bracket close. Then you have parenthesis close of send. Then you have this guy close, and then you have this close. Okay. Okay. Of course, मेरा कुछ bracket वगैरह से related issue है, because the other route is working absolutely fine. Only this route is having issue. Only products is having an issue. Let's try it one more time. So my user is working again. I'm pasting it to products. Yeah, now product is also working fine. Got a point? Maybe I did a spelling mistake. Let's try one more time. So products. Yeah, it's working fine. Correct?
सर क्या मिस्टेक थी?
I guess इसकी what do you call curly braces वगैरह की. See, now you have two routes, two endpoints. Now you have two endpoints. One endpoint is giving you what? Products. Another endpoint is giving you what? Users. You got my point? One endpoint giving you products. Another endpoint is giving you users.
Users.
So now you have two APIs, two endpoints ready. Copy and paste it to another one. Let's say here you are getting users, and in this tab you're getting this API route or this API endpoint. This is endpoint. This whole is API URL, but this API slash product is your API route, or you can say endpoint. Nowadays we call it endpoint. So this is your endpoint. You have one endpoint as API slash product. You have another endpoint as API slash users. Now you tell me if you wanted to have a login endpoint. So what you should do? I mean, what should be your login endpoint? I mean, how you should be designing the login endpoint? Any idea?
Users ID.
Let me create one endpoint for you real quick. Okay. I have to do it a little fast. So, but for that I need to tell you the body parsing and everything. Okay, let me hmm. Give me a minute. Huh? If I give you any route by get, how about that? If I give you any route by get, let's see. Okay, let's see one route where you will be finding the product. Okay, so I'll copy paste the same, and here I say products slash you will be passing a product
Finder.
ID. You will be passing an ID. Again, it's a get. So you're trying to get product by ID. So what you'll do is, again, consider you're getting the products from DB. So I say var products equals to, this is your list, right? And now what you're doing is you are basically, getting the ID from, you'll be getting the ID from the URL. So I say var var PID, I taken a variable, say var PID equals to you're passing a request dot params, I mean whatever parameter you pass, dot your ID. Let's first of all, alert. No, here alert will not work.
What we are doing here, sir?
I'll show you what.
PID.
I say products dot find by index, find. I'm not sure this you'll be able to understand or not in the first session. Okay. If your ID is, let's say, 1, let's do one thing. Let's not consider this one for today's session. It'll be like too much for you. Let me add this one for next day. I mean, day after tomorrow, right? So till that time, what you do is you practice the same, because this is recorded session now, so you have the recording. So till that time, what you do is you create your own routes, endpoints like this, and practice. Okay. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow we'll be having sessions. So there I will be telling you, the further type of endpoints that you can make, like post or get by ID. Let's say you wanted to get
Okay.
only one product by ID. So you wanted to get a product by ID, so you can take it. You wanted to get user by ID, you can take it. So these kind of things, I'll be taking in the next
सर
session.
एक स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट है, एंड पॉइंट्स का कोई रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल बताइए सर.
मैंने बताया ना तुमको कि तुम एक पेमेंट गेटवे पर हो, तो वहां पर तुम्हारा
अच्छा.
फोन नंबर वेरीफाई कर रहा है, वो एक एंड पॉइंट है.
ठीक है, ओके.